Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 767. Okay, so here we are on Cash App investing section. This is the app that I use to buy $1 of Bitcoin every day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Okay, so here we are. My current Bitcoin balance is $4,919. The price of one Bitcoin is currently at $57,520. Up just over 1% today. Looks like we're up 20% on the week, 19% on the month. So going sideways a little bit here. Looks like it might break out of the previous all-time high sometime soon, and up 986% over the past year. That's crazy. So let's scroll down here, see if we have any news. I don't see anything in particular. I think one of the biggest things is that the US is doing another stimulus check. They're printing more money, more inflation in the US dollar. As you know, Bitcoin is a limited supply asset. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. And it's probably much less than that considering the amount that is just lost or forgotten about in random wallets out there. So if you're not trading some of your unlimited US printed dollars for some of these limited supply assets, I don't know, man, you can't be saved at this point. You just gotta start doing it. So current Bitcoin owned 0.08553709. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, tap confirm. And just like that, we've bought one more dollar of Bitcoin. Tap done there. And now if we look at my balance, we can see 0.08555,397 Bitcoin. So things are going really well here. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. 4,914. A quick word from our sponsors. Actually, we don't have sponsors. So I'm gonna show you some ways to earn free crypto. First of all, they're all shown down in the description. Cash App, you can sign up, get $5 for free. Coinbase, you can sign up and get like $100 worth of free crypto. Robinhood and Public, you can sign up and get free stocks. You can also come to BetFury and get free Bitcoin every 20 minutes by clicking this withdraw button. They've also now added BNB, so you can start getting some free BNB tokens as well. Just check out the video in the description. It'll show you exactly how to get started. 4,914 divided by 767 days equals a 6.4x on our investment. So what that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $6.40. I realized today that it's actually been more than 2 years that I've been doing this. 2 years would have been 730 days. Like I said, this is day 767. We've more than 6x'd our money so far. So things are just going really well here. Excited to continue on with this experiment. Hope this can inspire other people to start small and try this a little bit. You know, you don't have to do anything crazy. I've only been risking $1 a day, which I think a lot of people can probably afford to risk. That'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear